Hello everyone, myself Sanyong. I am a student of Aryan. I study in class 7th. I have taken part in the summer camp by Makers Dunya and I have learned electronics and circuit designing there. And today I have made a new circuit in Tinkercad. So let me show you by opening it. So here are my circuits and this is that circuit. This was a task that was given to me by Akash sir. So this is the circuit for my task. Here I have used two sensors, LDR, that is photoresistor, and PIR sensor, and a LED RGB buzzer, Arduino Uno, and breadboard. So this is a security gadget type circuit. What it does is that when it feels any motion, then it just says the buzzer to make the sound, and a sound is produced by the buzzer, and this LED RGB turns red. And when there is no motion, then the buzzer also does not produce any sound, and the LED RGB indicating that everything is fine turns green. There is one more function that when there is night, then only it works. As soon as it is daytime, it doesn't work. This day and night thing is detected by this photoresistor. That is our light dependent resistor. So this is my code for the Arduino. This is a code of 47 lines. So now let me start the simulation. See, now there is no motion, so the LED RGB is green, and according to the LDR, it is night. You can see that here a black in the place of black circle, this scale is there. Now I will just move this so that the photoresistor detects some motion. See, now it's the buzzer is producing sound and the LED RGB is turning to red. Now I have stopped making that. So now I have stopped making the motion, and after that it again turns green, and it stops the sound. Now I will make it daytime. Now it's daytime. Now if I make motion for how much time I want, it will not work as it is day. And in day many people are there, so it will again and again make a buzzer sound and LED will turn green, so it would be a trouble for the people there. That's why it only works in the night time. See, again I have turned it to night time and it again working. See, so I hope you like this. Please give feedback. Thank you.